Question number 9. State equation of axis, range and period of the periodic function shown below. So here's a graph for the periodic function. You need to write equation of axis, range and period. So you can pause the video, answer and then look into my suggestion. Well, whenever you're given a periodic function, it's a good idea to first write down what is the maximum and minimum value. Right? In this particular case, we can see that maximum is how much? This place, right? Which is, we are going up by 15 here, right? 15, 30, 45, 60, plus 15 is 75. So maximum is 75 and minimum value for this function is 45. To find equation of axis, what should we do? We add maximum minimum and then divide by 2, the average value, right? So this is actually the average values. We add maximum minimum, which is 75 plus 45, and then we divide by 2, correct? So that gives us 7 and 4, 11 and 1, 12 divided by 2, and that is 60, right? So 60 centimeters is the axis of symmetry. So we can draw the axis of symmetry here, which is at 60, right? So that's absolutely clear from the graph. We could have read it directly also. Perfect. How about range? Range is from minimum to maximum, right? So range is minimum, and that's the y value, in which in our case is the height, right? Between minimum to maximum. That is what is the range for us, right? So in our case, the range is from 45 to 75, right? So it's a good practice to write this as y belongs to real numbers, right? So say y belongs to real numbers so that all the values between 45 and 75 are in our range, right? So that is the set form of writing the same thing. Now let's try to figure out how to find the period for this function. Now we're given a good point here, which is at 180. That's the minimum. The other points are not at a good place, but this one is. This is at 540. So what you see here is 1 wave, 2 wave and 3 waves. So from here we have 3 waves in time period between 180 to 540. So to find period, what we can do is we can do 540 minus 180 divide by 3, and that gives us 120. So the period is 120 seconds, correct? So that is how you can get your answers for the given question, right? So from the graph, actually you can read the values, right? You could approximate it using this value also, but I think this gives you more accurate results. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you.